itself in history with the daring and precise bombing raids on the Ruhr dams in May of 1943, as well as with the sinking of the German battleship. You absolutely gotta love the sound of both the B-25 as well as the Lancaster. And if you think the Lancaster sounds very familiar, that's because they're using the exact same engines that the P-51 Mustang used. And you heard that Mustang engine, the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, during the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. Lancaster was shot down in flames by a German night fighter on that night of June 13, 1944. As the bomber fell, he attempted to free the tail gunner trapped in the rear turret of the blazing and out-of-control aircraft. The tail gunner miraculously survived the crash and lived to tell the story, but sadly Andrew Minarski died from his severe burns.